All right, everyone, this is what we have now. This is like maybe what, day 4? Like day 4. Yesterday I finished up the bottom, and like I said, the old floor, the old deck, I used it as a support, so I didn't tear it down. Just the front part now that I used all of the, well, that I had to support on its own. So now I have these supports in that I'm standing on right now. Yes, I had to adjust a little bit just to make sure that it's even. You know, I gotta improvise. But anyways, everything is okay. Look, they're strong. And I got me on some weight. 130. But anyways, guys, this is what we have today. Jesus. And we're gonna continue. I'm gonna put in the basement. Oh my god, basement. I'm gonna put in the deck flooring now. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna put in the deck flooring. So this side is gonna be covered. Well, I'll show you as we go along, but it's gonna be covered going this way, so I'm not gonna pay attention to this side as much. I'm gonna make sure that everything is lined up. I'm gonna try my best, guys, because like I said, I'm not a pro. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing, and whatever seems right, I do it. And if it doesn't, I take a stop, I go on YouTube, I go search, I look again, and then I come again. All right, so this is what we have now, and let's continue. All right, everyone, this is as far as your girl has gotten. I didn't get too far today because I had to go back out. I returned some of the lumber that I was complaining that they gave me trash, so I had to return those. So I just stopped here, and I had to go on the road again after I came back in. So this is just where I am at. These, I just laid them out from here onwards. I just laid them out for tomorrow, but that's where your girl is at with this deck. But it's coming along quite fine. I think it's coming along quite fine. Okay, so there we are. So tomorrow I can show you guys me putting in the boards, because I didn't have any space here where I could set up the camera, but I have now. So tomorrow I'll show you guys when I'm putting in the boards and all the struggles that I'm going through here, you know, as as an amateur, someone who don't know what they're doing. But anyways, it's coming along fine, guys. Look. Oh, let me put it this way. Look, my corns are coming. My corns are coming along, and you can see beans growing. All right, all right, all right. But this isn't a garden video. So I'll show you guys another time. I got me corns growing. Yay! All right, guys. Talk to you later, and tomorrow we'll continue later. All right, guys. Sorry, there's no sound here. But anyways, guys, what I was doing here, I used the hammer to start the screw, just to knock it in for a little bit to give me a good start, and then I screw it in, which was much more easier than taking out the bit and replacing with another one, because I only have one drill. So that would have been too painstaking and tiring. So I just used the hammer to give the screws a good start, and then the drill to knock it all the way in. All right, so now this is the last piece of the 1x6 that I'm gonna put in, and then the half piece that's gonna end up out to here. But now I gotta find out how I can get this around the posts. So I made some lines, and I'm gonna do some cutting, but I don't know how that's gonna work out, because again, your girl is no pro. And look at what I'm talking about when I said that they gave me some very, very shitty pieces of wood. Look at these. I actually didn't give them a piece of my mind because I forgot. But when I really went through the pieces that I got, the worst ones, I just packed them up, put them in my car, and I drove all the way back up there and gave them back, and got me some good pieces. Look at this one. Like it's not gonna last a day. But anyways, since this is already broken here, so I'm just gonna cut to here. Wherever this meets at the corner, so be it. You know, so be it. But it's the last piece. So let's get going and let's see how I can get this to work. Alright guys, so here I was just trying to figure out where I'm going to put the steps. So I was just marking off the width just to make sure everything is gonna line up when I have everything else in order. But anyways guys, I am just going to stop here for today, and I'll see you in the next video later.